Hello 8th class students. In the last topic and video we have discussed about the useful microorganism and categories of microorganism. Now in today video we will discuss about the harmful effects of microorganism as the name of chapter. Microorganism, our friend and foe. Now continuing with the foe part, that is harmful microorganism. They are divided into two categories. One is disease causing in human beings, plants and animals, and other causing food spoilage. Disease causing organ or microorganism, that microorganism cause disease in human being, animal and plants are called the pathogen. How disease transferred in human beings? It is a pathogen enter the healthy person through air, water, contaminated food, and also from an infected person to healthy person. How? As when someone has coughing and sneezing and cold, then when a cold infected person sneezes and cough, the virus, the pathogens transmit in the air, and when they come in contact with the healthy person while breathing, he or she also get the common cold. As nowadays COVID-19 coronavirus, this is also a type of disease spread by microorganism or virus. Here the virus or microorganism spread from a infected to a healthy person, and when disease are spread from infected to healthy person, that type of diseases are called communicable diseases that are spread by touch, air, water. As malaria is caused by humans by Anopheles mosquito. When a mosquito bites, the pathogen enter into the blood and infect the person with malaria. Now here is a list of communicable diseases. Malaria by bite of female mosquito, protozoan disease, cholera by contaminated food and water. This is a bacterium disease. Another diseases are typhoid, tuberculosis, ringworm, common cold, poliomyelitis, chickenpox. All these diseases are transmitted by air, water and contaminated food. These are the diseases that are caused in humans. Now animal diseases: foot and mouth disease in cattle, rinderpest, anthrax and fine rot in fish. That are the diseases which are transmitted by air and in contact with the diseased animal. When a diseased animal drinks water, virus or pathogens are spread in that water, and from the contaminated water disease is transmitted to humans, plants and also to the other animal that drink that water, because virus enter into that water. Now in plants, some plants caused by pathogens are discussed as disease: citrus canker caused by bacteria, and this is a air. Mode of transmission is air, as air by a virus enter into the air and this infect the citrus. Rust of wheat, citrus canker, nimbu, and in oranges, rust of wheat, spores and black conidial spores are in wheat is infected, and causative organ is fungus. All these diseases are caused by microorganism. Next topic is microorganism and food spoilage. Microorganism as a fungi, bacteria spoil with foodstuffs including bread. As you see, sometimes when we keep a vegetable for 5 to 7 days in fridge, or even a bread, and lot of humid weather is there, then a white color powdery spores, rotten air spores develops on that vegetable, on that fruit or on the bread. That is due to the spoilage due to the microorganism. And spoiled food causes the food poisoning. In your question also, what is food poisoning? When we eat spoiled food that is poisoned with microorganism, that causes disease like diarrhea, vomiting, stomach pain, headache. So food poisoning, the food that become poisonous, and microorganism like fungi and bacteria grow on that food. In your home you can see the bread, the whitish blackish spores that grow on the bread. Now after that we do another food preservation. What is food preservation? Food preservation is also in question: treating, handling on a food item to slow down its spoilage while maintaining its nutritional texture and flavor. That by this we can increase the age of a food product. Age means we can store a food for a long time in deep freezers, by boiling, by dehydration, by refrigeration, by canning, by using preservatives, by using salt, sugar, oil, and by pasteurization. Now what is food preservation? When we preserve a food to slow down its spoilage and its color, texture, nutrition value and flavor is remained for a long time. How? Boiling, when we boil a liquid, it kills many microorganisms, as heating prevent the growth of microorganisms. Milk and water, as in the winter we can store raw milk, but in the summer we have to boil the milk before preserving in the fridge, because when we boil a liquid up to 100 degrees centigrade, then the germs, the microorganism, the virus present in it are killed. As dehydration, removal of water like cereals, pulses are generally dried under the sun. As in our home we use chana, dal, pulses, cereals, they are found in the form of grains. How they are preserved? They are first, as wheat, फर्स्ट दे आर सन ड्राइड, उनको क्या है, धूप में रखा जाता है और उनमें जो मॉइस्चर का कंटेंट है वो क्या हो जाएगा, कम. रेफ्रिजरेशन एंड फ्रीजिंग, लो टेम्परेचर ऑल्सो स्लोज डाउन द ग्रोथ ऑफ माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म एंड बैक्टीरिया. व्हेन फ्रेश फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल्स आर फ्रोजन, वाटर प्रेजेंट इन देम, जो वाटर उनमें प्रेजेंट, दैट ऑल्सो फ्रीजिंग. दिस हेल्प इन प्रिवेंटिंग द माइक्रोबियल रिप्रोडक्शन एंड फूड आइटम्स कैन बी प्रिजर्व्ड by freezing. Meat and vegetables are preserved by canning. Some food items are kept in airtight containers like jam, vegetable and even cooked food, because when they are kept in airtight container, their connection with air is loosed and the process of reproduction of microorganism or virus is slows down or banned. By using chemical preservatives, as you drink many juices, cans, fruits. Now how they are preserved? They are preserved by using chemical preservative. Two chemical preservatives, sodium benzoate and potassium metabalsa sulfite, are used. These are used in squash, ruafza, sherbets and tomato ketchup, so by which they can be stored up to 1 year. As another, by using salt, sugar, oil and vinegar, or by making pickles. As in our home we make pickle of lemon, pickle of mango, pickle of mirch pickle, and all these pickles are prepared in oil and vinegar. What is the function of oil and vinegar? These slows down the process of growth of microorganism, as they create an environment that helps to slow down the growth of microorganism. And after that, in this salt, sugars and other preservatives and other spices are used to give them flavor and texture. As oil and salt is a best pickle preservative that can store a food product for a longer time. Pasteurization, milk pasteurization for a longer time is done. As what is the process of pasteurization? As in the market Amul milk is available, Amul lassi is available, that is canned or make, that preservation is done under the process of pasteurization, in which first a food stuff is heated to a high temperature, then its cooling is done, and it is helpful in destroying the harmful microbes without changing its composition, flavor and texture. And this is done by Louis centuries. And first it is done on the milk. Milk is first heated to high temperature, then cooled rapidly, and then it is stored lower than 10 degree centigrade. So pasteurization is done in the milk. This is also in your textbook question. Okay, now chapter is up to completed.